Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this information helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences with this platform. Today, we're exploring Next Freelancer, a job platform found at wellfound.com/company/next-freelancer/jobs. This website promises to connect freelancers with exciting new opportunities. When you navigate to the URL, you're greeted with a clean and straightforward interface showcasing a variety of roles. The postings typically include the company name, job title, a brief description of the responsibilities, required skills, and compensation range. A convenient feature of Next Freelancer is the ability to filter your search based on specific criteria, such as location, job type, full-time, part-time, contract, industry, and desired salary. This streamlined approach helps to quickly narrow down the options and identify roles that align with your specific skills and career goals. One thing I particularly appreciate is the clear presentation of the compensation information. It removes the guesswork and allows you to focus on opportunities within your desired earning bracket. While browsing the listings, I noticed a good mix of roles across different industries, suggesting a broad reach and a diverse talent pool. From software engineering and marketing to design and writing, there seems to be something for everyone. However, it's important to conduct your own due diligence on any potential clients or companies before applying. Researching the organizations thoroughly is always recommended. Furthermore, Next Freelancer appears to emphasize creating profiles that genuinely reflect a freelancer's abilities and experience. This is a crucial aspect of standing out in a competitive marketplace. A well-crafted profile can significantly improve your chances of being noticed by potential clients. Based on my initial exploration, Next Freelancer seems like a promising platform for freelancers seeking new opportunities. The user-friendly interface, coupled with the detailed job postings and filtering options, makes it a valuable resource. However, remember, my experience is just one perspective. It's crucial to explore the platform yourself and form your own conclusions. So, head over to wellfound.com/company/next-freelancer/jobs and see if Next Freelancer is the right fit for your freelancing journey.